how to log in ETSY shop. So if you want to log into ETSY shop, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for ETSY. And here go for the first search, which is www.etsy.com, and it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for sign in, which is here on the upper right. Click on that sign in, and to sign into your account, you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or your Apple, or you can also enter your email address. And then here on the next blank, you can enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can simply click on forgot your password, and then you can reset or recover it. But if you don't have an account, then go for register, and then you can register your account. And to sign in, simply enter your information and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you sign into your ETSY account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.